A beautiful ice chandelier made from epoxy with RGB lights looks stunning, especially at night. To create the ice chandelier, start by gathering tree bark and arranging it on a table according to the required size. After arranging the bark, cover it with plastic wrap to preserve the texture and separation of the tree bark from the epoxy. Next, you will need epoxy for the entire project. For the ice texture, add blue color to the required quantity of epoxy by mixing it in a small container. Then, pour this mixture into a large drum containing epoxy and hardener, and mix it thoroughly using a machine. Once the epoxy is well mixed, pour it over the arranged tree bark, ensuring an even thickness. Let the epoxy dry. After the epoxy has dried, it's time to work on the cylinder frame. The frame requires a 10 cm by 10 cm square tube, which should be cut to the required size. Once the frame is welded, drill holes and add threads for screws. Afterward, paint the frame. Next, it's time to install the RGB lights and connectors onto the frame. Once the lights are in place, carefully remove the dried epoxy ice block from the frame and the tree bark. Also, remove the plastic wrap from the back side of the epoxy ice block. The block will have a realistic ice texture. Cut the block into different sizes as needed. Finally, attach the frame and the ice blocks together, and now your RGB light ice chandelier is ready. As you can see, it looks stunning with the changing lights. Thank you for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel.